Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Ford Fiesta transmission slipping and discusses commonly documented situations where the transmission may struggle to maintain proper gear engagement during driving. Transmission slipping in the Ford Fiesta has been reviewed across different generations and can present differently depending on model year, transmission type, mileage, and maintenance history. Some versions may show hesitation, delayed acceleration, or unexpected gear changes, while others may experience intermittent behavior rather than constant slipping. In reviewed technical discussions and service documentation, verified contributing factors can include wear over time within the transmission system, degraded or incorrect transmission fluid affecting hydraulic pressure, and electronic control behavior related to shift logic in certain automatic variants. In some cases, clutch-related wear in manual versions may also contribute. In addition to verified causes, other potential contributing factors may include software calibration behavior or sensor-related inconsistencies, though these are not confirmed for every vehicle and may vary by generation. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year mileage or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Possible solutions generally focus on proper inspection rather than assumptions. This may include checking transmission fluid condition where applicable, reviewing software updates or service advisories, and inspecting components related to shifting and power delivery. Repairs are not universal and depend heavily on the specific transmission type and confirmed diagnosis. Across verified reports and automotive reviews, transmission slipping is not described as identical across all Ford Fiesta model years. Some generations or configurations may show the concern more noticeably, while others may rarely experience it. Patterns indicate that maintenance history and usage play a significant role in how and when the issue appears. In conclusion, Ford Fiesta transmission slipping can be influenced by multiple factors that differ by model year and transmission design. No single cause applies to every vehicle, and accurate diagnosis is essential before considering repairs. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.